Warm, humid, and dry season is right at our doorstep, so it's better to be prepared than to spend the entire summer boiling in sweat. We've prepared 5 of the best portable air conditioners in 2020 for people who wish to cool off and relax at home. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. The first pick on our list of the top 5 portable air conditioners in 2020 is Black & Decker's 14 HWT. It is absolutely ideal for smaller rooms and apartments as it packs just about enough power to cleanse the air up to some 200 square feet. First and foremost, this model rocks 8,000 BTU British thermal units, which is roughly 2.4 kilowatts. It's much stronger than it looks, and it could potentially be used to purify the air within mid-sized areas, albeit at somewhat reduced efficiency. As we've mentioned earlier, it was specifically designed for petite spaces such as cabins, apartments, or smaller offices. Since we're talking about portable air conditioners, you will probably like the fact that 14 HWT is actually slightly smaller than an average compact AC unit. Its dimensions measure 16.5 inches by 11.5 inches by 26 inches. It doesn't require any sort of installation, and it can be put pretty much anywhere in the room. It also comes supplied with a set of roller wheels that you can use to easily transport it from place to place with ease. Ideally, though, you should place it next to a window, as it features an air filtration hose and a window adapter. The hose is 4 foot 11 inches long, so you don't necessarily need to put the 14 HWT right beside it. Using it is a breeze, as it comes supplied with a plain little remote controller which packs a teeny display where you can see which mode is currently active, the current temperature, and operational state. The controller sports fan speed controls, the sleep mode, a timer, and Celsius Fahrenheit switch. Speaking of modes, you'll be able to ventilate, cool, and dehumidify your room with a simple click of a button. Each of these modes provides benefits. The cooling mode provides chilly, fresh air during the hotter seasons. The ventilation mode gets rid of stale air and tobacco smoke, while the dehumidifying mode takes care of too much water in the air. Overall, B&D's B-Packed 14 HWT is a decently strong, highly versatile portable air conditioner that is a must-have for the summer season, especially if you're on a slightly tighter budget. We're following up where we left off with LG's portable 115V energy-saving air conditioner. In many ways, this portable air conditioner is similar to our previous pick. It is petite in terms of design. It's exceptionally light, it sports a compact remote controller, and it features 8,000 BTU strength rating. Consequentially, it's also best suited for places up to approximately 200 square feet. However, there are also tons of differences between the two. The first thing you'll notice about LG's 115V air conditioner is that it looks absolutely stunning. It rocks a sleek, smooth white surface with a barely visible LG logo and a set of convenient rolling wheels for easy transportation. Due to its exceptional aesthetic component, it will easily complement any room setting. Its dimensions measure 17.93 inches in width by 27.36 inches in height by 12.8 inches in depth. Sadly, it's also pretty heavy, as it weighs approximately 58.4 pounds. Although loading it up in a car and unloading it might make you break a sweat, rolling it between the rooms is as easy as pie. In terms of construction, it's mainly made of ultra-durable plastic material, which is significantly sturdier than plastic most AC units are made of. Its hardware, wheels, as well as the hose are also of tremendous quality. Speaking of which, LG's 115V air conditioner sports a 4-foot-long hose and a window mount that you'll need to properly install it. Again, the 115V AC should be somewhere near a window within the reach of the hose, but after you've completed the installation process, you can freely move it anywhere you want. Some of the main features you'll be able to use include the programmable 24-hour timer, several fan speeds, the auto cool feature, auto evaporation system, and the oscillating air vent setting. Alternate between using different modes at different settings, and you'll be able to create the perfect, most healthy environment in your house or apartment. Lastly, let's mention the features that the remote controller comes supplied with. The display this controller is outfitted with is pretty big. It shows the current temperature and mode in Fahrenheit or Celsius depending on your preference. You'll be able to change the temperature with the arrow keys, switch between modes, adjust the timer and fan speeds, or alternate between Fahrenheit and Celsius parameters. In a nutshell, LG's 115V air conditioner is absolutely a steal. This is an incredibly compact, energy-saving portable AC that performs staggeringly well for the price. In fact, there aren't many entry-level air conditioners that can boast about such a level of versatility. Our top value pick is LG's LP0817WSR8 portable air conditioner. Essentially, this is an LG AC version that is much similar to the 115V, but it's packed with a huge variety of improvements and additional gratis goodies that make it more worth the money. First and foremost, let's see what some of the old and familiar features are outfitted to the LG LP0817WSR. The sleek design with white finish, the long hose, and roller wheels are pretty much the same as the ones outfitted to the 115V. However, every single one of these three features suffered minor, subtle improvements. The roller wheels, for example, were made smaller and were reinforced with better hardware for additional durability and stability. The white finish was purposefully darkened a bit. It now blends even easier with other colors, while the LG logo shines even more brightly, much like a beacon of quality. It sports 8,000 BTU that can, you guessed it, accommodate rooms up to approximately 200 square feet. Just like the previous two modes, LG LP0817WSR is perfect for dorms, cabins, smaller apartments, and one-story houses. Now, even though every model we've reviewed so far was pretty easy to install, this one actually features a specialized installation kit. Apart from coming supplied with the usual 4-foot hose and window adapter, LG LP0817WSR rocks a slide-together bracket for the windows that features a click connect joint for the exhaust hose. The kit even features simplified instructions that will guide you step by step throughout the whole process. We've really liked the remote controllers our previous two picks are supplied with, and sadly we cannot say the same for this one. It is overly simplified, with all modes and features lumped together without any particular logical pattern. However, the fact that it is not packed to the teeth with various flashy features does make it very simple to use. At the end of the day, LG LP0817WSR offers exceptional value for the money. It's very easy to install, it is built like a tank, and it uses minimal energy to provide fresh, cool air to rooms up to some 200 square feet. What's more to like? Next up is Honeywell's HL14CESWB, which is one of the quietest portable air conditioners on the market. Basically, this model is also one of the finest budget compact AC units too, as it comes available at a very approachable price. Be it as it may, its whisper-quiet performance and suitability for extra-large spaces are the reasons why it's in our review of the top 5 portable air conditioners. The first thing that separates Honeywell's HL14CESWB air conditioner from the models we've seen so far is that it sports 14,000 BTU, which is almost twice as much power. It can efficiently cool spaces up to 700 square feet, making it ideal for mid-sized and larger homes and apartments. It sports the dual filter system that was specifically designed to shield the machine from dust and hair, all the while extending the total lifespan of the air filtration technology and ensuring top performance at all times. Some of the most notable features of Honeywell's HL14CESWB air conditioner include 3 fan speeds, fully digital controls, energy-saving timer, remote-controlled method of operation, and sleep mode. What's really surprising is that the strongest portable AC in our review is also the quietest one. The secret behind such a feat is that it sports a small, yet incredibly powerful motor packed with some pretty advanced features and technologies. Although this is not necessarily a flaw per se, you will notice that Honeywell's HL14CESWB air conditioner costs slightly more than average. This is the only trade-off, and apart from a somewhat heftier price tag, there are only benefits of convenience to be reaped. Let's wrap it up with Black & Decker's BPACT 08WT air conditioner. There's a myriad of reasons why this model deserved the prime spot in our review. It's not the cheapest, but it's definitely not expensive. It's not the strongest, but it's more powerful than most similarly priced models. It's not the best rounded portable AC, but it's the ultimate jack of all trades you can find for the money. Essentially, B&D's BPACT 08WT rocks 8,000 BTU rating, which means that it's designed for smallish houses and apartments. It rocks versatile fan speed settings and a convenient sleep mode that should be used to conserve energy when you aren't using it. Its consistency and reliability are unparalleled, mainly due to the fact that it features a superior air filtration system and a robust 4-foot hose. This compact AC comes supplied with the same installation kit as our first pick, which means that it features a window adapter that you can use with the hose in pretty much any window in your home. Furthermore, it comes outfitted with the exact same remote controller as the BPACT 14HWT. It sports mode, timer, sleep, fan speed, temperature arrows, and Celsius Fahrenheit switching button. Even though it shares a lot of similarities with many mid-price models we've covered so far, it goes without saying, this model is definitely more valuable than most simply because it does everything they do just a bit better. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.